him. But you know what people have even more? Gary Everest.
Red plumber man.
Right. Princess Pink has been kidnapped. Harry Plumber Man, we have to save the princess. Her looks retarded, by the way. I'm not trying to be rude. Okay.
Since when was a piper?
When the game was made.
The big bad. Bow Bow.
Went through this. Okay, those don't even look like us. We look like Starbusts, but they had eyes and shoes, and they're chocolate flavored. Cause like if you have Starbucks, got a pink one. I can see these look a lot like Starbursts. I can't even make this jump. Get noob. I love Flamingo. He's like the best YouTuber. The best Roblox YouTuber out there. He's the best. I'm a good YouTuber. Well, no. This is the Turtle Canyon. Get up to the other to get to the desert. Okay. Matt Cooper gives me the creeps though. The creeps, you know. According to this recording service, I have to pay to make long videos that are like 14. So that's why I have to keep my videos short. I do have the money, but I just you know don't want to pay. You know. I'm on this new account because my account yeah, my main account is like literally getting lost, so I logged in to I'm not doing underscore boy, and it's a pretty weird name, but I just want to keep it random, you know. You probably don't know. Hopefully, I don't have to pay to make this 14 minutes long or more. I probably am. Wow. Okay, these are the only enemies that actually look like enemies. I thought that were gonna be drawn, but I guess they're made entirely with 3D models, and please help. Okay. Oh. Oh. If you guys want me to play any other games, over Roblox like Little Big Planet, Ice Cream, Granny, I actually might make a video called If I Die in Granny Then Video Ends. I might make that because I don't think anyone else has made that. I think someone might have made that before me. I haven't even made it yet. I played I played Granny on my tablet, but I've lost it, so I can't play it on my tablet. So I'll just download it on here. enough talk. You need to find the key. Okay. Was this a maze? Oh, come on. I misunderstood the point of this entire game. Okay, yeah, we need to find Princess
Pink.
and save the day. Do I go? Aha! You fool! Spooked. Someone's called spooked. Oh. I went both ways and still no luck. Still, I need to find the key. But there is no key. Voice crack. Where is the key? Ha ha! Yay! Yes! I found the key. Now if I can just get it to the place where I was. Here it is. Now we can go. Do we need this key for anything else though? Do I? Oh, this is the underwater level. It looks like Nemo though. Whoa. I think we have to avoid them. Yeah. But how do we get? Wait, these don't kill you. Good. Okay, stop being punchy. Right, anyways. So we can stomp on bloopers, right? Oh yeah, we can. Roblox games are really cool though. I don't know how we're gonna get through this, but okay. By the way, my first channel has like 35 subs, so I'm proud of myself. And my second channel has like 4 subs, so please give the love and respect from my first channel to my second channel. Donate the love. Those stupid fireballies tried attacking during our festival. Okay. Your festival is horrible. Whoever did this, I will find them and tie them up and put a gun in their mouth. Are those fire bullies? No. What are fire bullies though? Are they later on in the game? I have honestly no idea. What? I don't get this. Fire bullies, what are fire bullies? Can I do this? Please? What? No? Okay. I don't even know how to do this. Who are the fire bullies? Are the fire bullies actual fire? Can I go here? Please? Please? No? Oh, so you can't go near the fire. Okay, I think I understand. You have to like avoid it as far as possible, maybe. Maybe yes, maybe no. Please yes. Alright, maybe I can jump. Yeah, no. How do I do this? It's been like 10 minutes. Or maybe I could just like... Oh, you actually can go nerf him. No, you can! Okay, I do not get this game at all. One sec. Chat is disabled. Okay. Alright, bye guys.